So today's blocker is going to the demo. I'm going to demo. I want to go and visit Lamide's Chinese restaurant. She invited me over to come have lunch, so I'm going to carry you along. As you can see every garden thing. So it's a bit windy. I'm not driving. So but just enjoy the vlog and catch you later. Restaurant is secret. So yeah, madam here. Not us on a date. So on a date here, we have to see and Mrs. Michelle. Okay, same popular Michelle. So it's located in Igando. It wasn't difficult at all to locate, and then I made it down in good time. So I'm going to be showing you what we have in the menu, and so that you can see that it's not your local menu, and then the prices you can see that it's affordable. So some of the things I also want to do is I want to find out, I know that there's a cool partner in this business. It might not be an idea, but you guys, this girl is a hustler. so that you know that she has, because I know that people just think, okay, it's just a face to it, but I know she understands the intricacies of the business. So I'm going to be asking her some few questions, and then she nice enough to answer us. So why I was asking you, why Chinese? Why not Amala joints? Why not our local delicacy?
For one, we looked at our surrounding and we tried to look for what was missing. Most of the time when we need to dine, we do fine dining and la carte and all that. You need to go outside of this vicinity, outside of Alimosho to Ikeja to get it on them, The traffic alone is not encouraging.
We kill the mass.
Google Chinese restaurants in Alimosho, you can't find any single one. So that's part of what gave birth to the idea. And it has always been my husband's vision to sell food. Right from when I met him. I'm telling you, and this is like 12 years now that I've known him.
Also, I'm like, Chinese is not our cuisine anyway, but I'm like, okay, so who are you
surprised?
Wow.
That people like food. And for people that stay in this area, I think some of them just like this area because of the serenity, and it's not too noisy. It's a low-key area.
I needed that warmth. Hot.
don't know where to start from. I don't even know where to start from. Send me this video.